Hi guys, you're welcome to the channel. Guys, today is going to be a busy day for me. I just want to learn how to vlog. Yeah,
Uncle bought juice.
okay, uncle bought juice.
Yeah, too.
Okay, I just want to learn how to vlog when I'm busy, guys. When I'm very the light is giving me phone. Someone is nice to me this morning. So guys, I'm having a busy day. We're going out to get a new refrigerator. Our refrigerator is messing up. Guys, refrigerator is messing up, guys. It's not been working for a few days now. We don't even know what's wrong. We contacted, the guarantee on the fridge has expired, so we contacted them. They said we should send an email. Guys, before those people will respond to email, all the things, the meats, everything we have in that fridge might just get spoiled. So we're actually going out now to get a smaller fridge, pending when they come to fix it. I think it's actually the gas that is finished, because witness opened that fridge down a few days ago. Guys, to cut your story short, we're going out, guys. I think this hair, I'll just do it when I get to the car. So guys, I'll see you guys when I'm outside. Hey guys, oh my gosh, this one I've still not guys, I'm just leaving. We are leaving the first place now. We couldn't get the exact size we wanted here. We wanted to actually get it from this place, because this place is just, this shop is very close to the house. It's just a walk like 5 minutes close to the house, so that it will be easy for transportation. But guys, they don't have the size that we want, so we're going to go to another shop now to check it out. MP wanted to buy it online, but I just felt, you know, now Naija babe, I just felt we should see what we want to buy, see varieties physically instead of getting it online. All right guys. Oh, you mean upstairs? I thought it's the supermarket. It is upstairs. Okay. They don't change that.
Guarantee on the motor and compressor, but we already found.
So any other thing is 2 years. Okay. we're still trying out another shop. We actually saw our choice. Lift. Don't want it to go. The lighting is too much. I had to increase it while I was inside. Guys, push is still too dark. Guys, in life of a content creator. So guys, I actually saw what I liked. We saw what we liked, but we just want to try another shop again if we can actually get it cheaper. Then if we don't, we'll come back here. So guys, I'll see you in the next shop. We are done buying. We finally made our choice. So I'm still at the mall. I'm going down the mall now. I want to check out shop shoes for Greatness and Lights. I want to get shoes for them, but I've actually been looking for heels because this summer those young ladies they had to swag their swag. I've been looking for heels, but I've not gotten, so I just want to check a few shops down the mall if I can be able to get heels for them. Baby Light has not worn heels since she was born. When Greatness was at age, Greatness was already wearing heels. She'll fall off the wheel, she'll wear it again. But Light she hasn't worn heel for one day because I haven't gotten to get heels in this part of the world. Maybe it's me, I don't know, but I haven't seen any. So I just want to check down if I'll see. So guys, catch you when I get there. All they have is chucks, and baralinas. There is no heels. And I promised these two ladies heels today. So I don't know which other shop to get it now. Maybe I'm just going to risk buying it online because I'm really avoiding buying shoes online because the sizes are always never the same. But if I buy it in the shop, I can easily return it. But that online, when I buy things online, I want to return it. My mind starts beating like as though I'm doing something wrong. So guys, I'll see you guys when I'm out. Guys, we are finally done. I am so hungry. I'm so hungry. Guys,
to go very slowly.
I'll see you guys when I get home. I was thinking of ending the vlog, guys. I want this vlog be boring if I just end it on my day activities. Guys, I'll see you guys when I get home, or probably tomorrow, or it's my hand here, I don't know, but let's see how it goes, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That is if I'm handing it here, but if I'm not handing it here, I'll thank you guys at the end of okay, I'll thank first now and say thank you guys then. All right, bye guys. Whoosh, the sun.